Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nuri Izzah binti Razali. My metric number is 01DKA20F1018. Today I will present about practical work. First is theory. Truss structure are found everywhere in the industry where emerging as a brake, tower, roof support and balding. As we know, the truss has its own a rigid bar connection, such as a pin, relief, feet, and simple connection. Then the steel roof truss is also basically a system of three triangulation or straight interconnected structure element. And so next is objective. First, to assemble the model of the truss for the guardhouse. Second, to propose a suitable IPS superstructure system for the guardhouse. So next is apparatus. First headsaw, second PVC wiring casing, and third steel ruler, and four cordless drill screwdriver, and five is heat drilling screw. So next is method of truss assembly. So step 1, measure the PVC wiring casing according to the predetermined measurement using an iron ruler, and mark the place to be cut using a marker. Step 2. Cut the PVC wiring casing according to the size that has been marked using a hacksaw. And step 3. After ready cut, average the PVC wiring casing according to the shape of the truss. And step 4. Connect the PVC wiring casing using heat drilling screw and cordless driving screwdriver. Here there is a truss model. So there is self-driving screw. A self-driving screw is a type of tool that has the same feature and design as other points that allow us to drill. The drill screw itself have a chisel tip similar to a drill bit, which this allows keeping peculiar holes into metal cores such as dinner, shape, and so on. Slide is IPS superstructure system proposal. So first is precast concrete beam, and second in situ column, and third steel roof truss, and fourth is precast concrete wall panel. The efficient management of time and resources during supervision and quality checking for the guardhouse. So first, the efficient management of time. First, time management is ability to plan and complete tasks in a timely and productive manner. This includes determining how much time should be devoted to each task to minutes time during the day and throughout the week to complete the guardhouse. And second, better time management skill can improve many aspects of job performance. And that is research during supervision. Research supervision is to optimize time, cost, and effort. In addition, research ensures that all work activities are understood and planned accurately for a project to be more productive and complete. And next, the quality checking. The process of quality checking, management involvement and collection of guidelines that are developed by a team ensure that the product or service that the product are of the right standard or fit or specific proposal for the guardhouse. The discussion that can be made after we finish this particular work is that we have figured out how to assemble the model of the truss for the guardhouse. Next, we have also proposed an IPS superstructure system suitable for the guardhouse as above. In addition, we will also be able to identify the IPS system have its own benefit in technology as well as many use. IPS system can reduce construction time with significant cost saving by minimizing delay in completion. And the lastly is the conclusion that can be made from the practical work is that have built a truss design, which is a tree-bearing truss. Then we also need a buy prototype of this truss. From this practical work, we can experience on how to build truss as well as prototype truss. In addition, we also learn about how to use tool to make truss. The tool used are such as hacksaw, cordless drill, screwdriver, and also how to technique it. Finally, there are many benefits that we get from practical work as well as being able to know the various names of tools used and mostly important, the benefit of the IPS superstructure system. So this is my reference. That's all from me. Thank you.